Hi there, Ana Paula Hurtado here. Let's talk about common DAX operators. Stay tuned. Alright, data analysis expressions use operators to create formulas. Most of DAX operators are the same as those found in Excel, so this might sound very straightforward and familiar to you. First, we start off with the arithmetic operators. Things like addition, subtractions, multiplication, exponentiation, and division. Next, you can compare two values with the following operators. So equal to, strict equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, and not equal to. Arithmetic and comparison operators pretty much speak for themselves, don't you think? Lastly, the text and logical operators. And these operators are a bit more interesting. First, we have text operator, the ampersand, to concatenate two values. Next, you have the logical operators, double ampersand to create an AND condition between two logical expressions, double pipe to create an OR condition between two logical expressions, and AND to create an OR condition based on a given list. Now let's head to Microsoft page to learn about the operator precedence. When your DAX formula includes multiple operators, DAX uses rule to determine the evaluation order, which is known as an operator precedence. Operations are ordered according to the following table. So any formula that contains multiple operators, first the formula is going to evaluate any exponentiation, following by the sign, then multiplication and divisions, and so on. In general, operator precedence is the same as what's found in Excel. And if you need to override the evaluation order, you need to group operations within parentheses. My recommendation here is always test your formula thoroughly. Test the results to see if the outcome is what you are expecting. Alright, let me know if you find this video useful. Post your comments and questions and feelings in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the following videos.